Hi, use destructuring to extract properties from your object. In this case, I have a user, but I'm really using just user ID. So I can extract it from the object. And Typescript will even help you what object properties does it have. So in this case, it's user ID and user age. And then I can use it in the function. If you, in any case, don't like the name, you can rename it. For example, instead of user ID, you can set up just ID and use it in your function. And the last one, you can set up a default. In case if there will be no value, you can set up, for example, to 0, but you will have your own. Also, you can use destructuring in your functions. For example, here, I'm really just using user ID. So it's much better just to extract user ID and use it. And you can use it in arrays. Here, I'm just creating user IDs. So I can destruct this user and get just user ID. I hope this helps. Have a great day.